Hi everyone, Jess from Similarweb here. I'm delighted to introduce an exciting new addition to custom dashboards, dashboard templates. Dashboard templates makes the setup and customization of dashboards quick and simple. So let me show you how it works. Start by clicking Add Dashboard. From now on, once you choose to create a new dashboard, you'll be able to either create one from scratch or select a dashboard template to meet your business needs. You can choose from a range of dashboards, including daily competitive analysis, market analysis, SEO performance, affiliate marketing optimization, and more. And in the future, we'll be adding more and more templates to the mix. So now select the template you want. Then select the websites that you wish to compare. So for this example, I'm going to choose CNN.com, FoxNews.com, NewYorkTimes.com, WashingtonPost.com, and USA Today. Then select the relevant geography. So for this example, I'm going to choose the United States, and simply click Create Dashboard. Here you can see some great insights to help you optimize your affiliate partnerships, such as referral traffic over time, referral engagement metrics, the referral battleground, comparing the last month to the past 3 months, and much, much more. Don't forget, you can always customize and share your dashboards with colleagues using the share button in the top right-hand corner. And that's it. We'd love to have your feedback, so please do share. Have a great day.